Hey everyone, I'm Porter Brooks and welcome to my channel, Porter Brooks Cooks. Today I want to show you some quick and easy sauces. I'm going to do one for you. You know, most of the stuff I make, it's because I can't find what I like. Tartar sauce, oh my gosh. I've tried everything, even my favorite stores, and I just don't like it. There's so much mayonnaise. So this is a little bit less, but let's get to it. Whole mayonnaise, guys. Oh, there's another video where I'm going to teach you how to make mayonnaise. So anyways, I like to do, I'm not doing a lot here, so just maybe about a half a cup, okay? You know me, half a. And here I am using a completely zero Greek yogurt, and I am going to do equal parts on that. So equal parts mayo and yogurt. Do not use a low-fat mayo. Do not use a salad dressing mayo. Nope, that does not work. If you're going to cut the fat and the calories by using the fat-free yogurt as opposed to the mayonnaise, then, you know, don't worry about it, okay? But you have to have whole mayonnaise to really make this work. Okay, so here's what I have for you. And then I'm gonna start adding ingredients, and I like a chunky tartar sauce. The first thing I use are my homemade pickles, and whenever I make them, I end up having these little bits. So I like to just pull out my pickle bits and just get a little bit of the dill pickles in there. I see a whole other jar of them over there. So we're going to just dice these up as best we can. Now, don't worry about this rough chop right here because I'm gonna add a lot of stuff to it. Okay, I love capers in mine. So we're gonna add a tablespoon or two of capers, and I wanna crush those up just a little bit. You can see that my pickles are getting chopped. And then I also love, if you don't know what a cornichon is, oh, these are the beautiful French little gherkins that are tangy and spicy, and they, oh my gosh, they're the best. So we're gonna chop those up. Oh gosh, you guys, if you've ever had that with pate, and if you haven't, you know, it could go with a vegetable mousse pate. Okay, so I like to try to get these as thin as possible. I'm such a bozo on the knife skills, huh? Okay. So let's pop those up. And again, I like them a little chunky. You could, what are some of the other things you could add here? Well, I guess you could add some dill, but these are the tangy flavors I like. By the way, my tartar sauce is, I would call it more of a savory and a tangy. It is not a sweet. If you wanted to do this, move everything to sweet. Sweet pickles, sweet relishes, things like that. Okay, so let's get that in our bowl where we had it. And I'm going to add some, I love the store, pre-chopped scallions, just a little bit, and some of that brine. Okay, here's what I like seasoning-wise. Yes, seafood requires some Old Bay, and I like a lot of it in there. Lemon juice is also good, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix, and I'm going to determine if, in fact, I need some more liquid. Oh, here's what it should look like. So here's one that I have in the fridge. You know these ice cream things? They're perfect. So do you see how lovely and chunky that is? Oh, see, that's good. Now this will last forever in your fridge. But what I'm tasting here is the brine and the pickling. Okay, so let's whip that up. We're gonna do some sea salt. We could do white pepper, but no black pepper, please. There's a lot of tasting that's going on with this. I think probably a quick hit of Tabasco. Right, we could do that really quick. 1, 2, 3, just for a little interest and depth. Okay, tasting time. When you taste this, make sure you get some of the chunky monkey in there. So, look how creamy that is. You don't know that that's not all mayonnaise. All right. If I had more capers, I would use them. Here's the thing about tartar sauce. It gets better with age, right? So this might not be perfect right now, but you can correct a little bit later. All right, you know me. I'm just using a reused jar from something. Never be without your canning funnels. I always put these in the link. Pop that on there. By the way, you could use one of your good bale jars if you want. So I'm pretty happy with the consistency. let me just show you. I'm really happy with the consistency, but I can add a little bit of that caper juice and still be okay. Remember, once you start liquefying this, there's no way to take it back without adding a bunch of fat. Okay, in we go. I don't know what that was, probably about 6 ounces. All right, you want to shake it down. There it is. Fish fillets, crab cakes. Put your lid on it, pop it in the fridge. Hey, don't forget that book. So I wanted to show you really quickly how I like to plate tartar sauce. Guys, you can use 1,000 different things, but these little ramekins are super. If you're doing plates of seafood, then go ahead and get something individual. It always looks good. Contrast the color if you can. I just grabbed the red, and this is the beautiful, beautiful tartar sauce. I'm going to put it right in there so it can sit next to you. Oh, can you imagine this with some malt vinegar and some beautiful fish and chips or something like that. Okay, so we're going to repeat some flavors, right? I'm out of capers, but we know that there's lemon in there, so let's make it look absolutely special. And a couple of green onions. Just want to get a spot or two on there for the color. All right, that is it. Plating up your tartar sauce, homemade and easy. Never buy that in the store again, but come back and see me. I am Porter Brooks. This is Porter Brooks Cooks, and follow me on Instagram at @theporterbrooks, and you'll find these recipes. Until next time, it helps me if you like and subscribe. Give me your comments. Tell me what you want to see. I've got decades of recipes to share with you, and they're all mine. So I can guarantee you that they're going to be super good. All right, I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.